How to fix Uber Eats promo code error. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea. Login and delete. Let's get started. Open up your Play Store. First and foremost, you want to make sure that your Uber Eats is updated. At the search bar, type in Uber Eats, and if you see update sign here, update your application. Now let's go on to your system's settings. Scroll below to apps. Here, search for Uber Eats and go to its storage. You want to clear the cache. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data as well. Tap delete. Now if it's still not working for you, then you need to reinstall your application. Long tap Uber Eats and tap on uninstall. And once you uninstall this application, reinstall it again and enter your credential. This will fix your problem. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos like this, then do subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon.